Your second assignment for today is students will solve equations with like terms using inverse operations. And so this is an IXL assignment. So make sure that you're logged in. You can log in through Clever by clicking here. Once you're logged in, you can click on the assignment and it will take you to the assignment. Make sure that your name is listed here or the assignment will not count. So for this one, we're going to combine like terms. And when you combine like terms, you always add. So 13C minus 11C is equal to 20. And so the first thing I want to do is I want to combine like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box around each one of the terms that are like each other. But notice how the second box, I include the negative sign or the minus sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these together. 13 plus negative 11 is positive 2. The C comes with it. And then it's still equal to 20. And then all I got to do is divide both sides by 2. And I get C is equal to 10. So I would just go to my assignment here and put C is equal to 10. Same thing. I'm just going to keep doing this over and over again. And so for this problem, I'm going to do 8G plus, so we can do this over here. So I'm going to separate them. 8G plus 5G is equal to 3G. So 8 plus 5, negative 5 is 3G, equals 6. And then I just need to divide both sides by 3. And the 3's cancel. G is now equal to 2. Type that in there. Click submit. This is the same type of problem. 3 plus 2b is going to give me 5b, and then I would divide by 5 on both sides, and I would get 1. We're going to skip this up to the next level so we can see a little bit harder of a question. You'll notice that it's a bunch of these things now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a box around each one of the things that has a y. There's a 1 in front of that y. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. Plus negative 6 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So if I add those all together, I get 10y is equal to 10. And then I would simply just divide both sides by 10. And I get those cancel. Y is equal to 10 divided by 10 is 1. And then we just do the same thing over and over again. You're going to add things that are similar. We're going to skip this and see if maybe the problems get a little harder. So let's jump up a level. It's the same thing really, so let's keep going one more level. Same thing again. So it's all the same type of things. When you get to, this is the same thing, so we'll do it because it's supposedly one of the harder ones. But we're going to draw boxes. So 8s is by itself, negative 7s, and then just s. There's a 1 there. There's a 1 there. And there's a 2 there. And so we just go through 8 plus negative 7 is 1. Plus 1 is 2. Plus negative 1 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. So this is 3s is equal to 48. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Those cancel out. S drops down. 48 divided by 3 is 16. You can use a calculator if you're not very good with big numbers. And then we go on to a similar type of problem, which you can solve if you want. Anything over 80 will be counted as extra credit. So if I was to stop right now, I'd have a 8.5 out of 10, which means I get a half a point, or 8.5 out of 8, which gives me a half a point extra credit. If you have questions, feel free to ask.